Perry House Plans is a team of design professionals that create custom house plans for the average person or the professional builder. As a family-owned and operated company based in Oklahoma, we have been designing first-class homes and buildings since 1959. Do you have design ideas for a new home and you just have not seen a custom floor plan anywhere that meets your requirements? Our draftsmen will guide you through the design process to create exceptional custom floor plans tailored to fit your unique needs. We understand this will be your home, and you can count on us to make sure you are completely satisfied with your custom house plans. By utilizing 2D and revolutionary 3D design software, we have the ability to walk you through the home design process in a way that removes the barrier between your mind and the paper. Your dream home is finally within your reach. Contact us today to get started on your custom house plans. Call 405-789-6373 or visit perryhouseplans.com.